just have to clear my throat. Sorry. Anyways, hey guys. Today I'm going to be playing Little High, and I'm going to make a few outfits with stuff in the drawing Valentina set. Okay. Anyways, let's join my private server. Join it. Waiting for an available server, and it's starting. Oh my god. What am I even saying? Okay. Anyways. Okay. I'm already wearing the Dawn Valentina set because it is my favorite set. So let's reset. That was a lot of saying set. Oh my god, this isn't my normal avatar. Okay, never mind. Anyways, we're going to be making outfits with the Dawn Valentina set. I already have made many outfits, but that doesn't matter. Okay. Anyways, let's get onto the video. Yeah. Okay. So I may choose Isana, Osana, Asuna, Night Star. Wait, no, I'm not gonna choose any of those. Sorry. What should I? I'm gonna wear this already, the teddy. What kind of color? I'm gonna make it red. I'm gonna take off my bangs. And time for the outfit. I'm just gonna put on a swimsuit. Wait, how is this a swimsuit? I don't know. Okay, it's not a swimsuit. Okay. Let's just wear this red strawberry one. Yeah, because I'm gonna be wearing a bodice and all that. I'm pretty sure. And should I do no face or okay, I'm gonna do face. What face should I use? I'll use this face. Okay, now let's see. I don't have any halos. Why'd I even go in that category? Okay. I'm gonna try using the Day of the Dead things. And now let's see what I should use for face. I have a feeling it would look good with the prescription glasses. So, I'm gonna wear the prescription glasses. Ears or earrings. I'm gonna get the human ears on because who doesn't have ears? And I'm gonna put on these red things even though you can't see it. Okay, neck and or shoulders. Let me see how it would look like if it was red. Because I love roses. Like, roses are beautiful. Like, roses. Roses are red. Yeah, never mind. I don't have the red problem. Oh wait, my skin tone is off. I'm just gonna turn it down. Okay. Yeah, I know I'm gonna be wearing the Valentina corset. Oh wait, I may wear a different corset, but anyways, let's go back to neck and shoulders. I'm not wearing the rose sleeves. I used to love them, but now I kind of hate them. Well, I mean, I still like them a bit. I don't know. Like, I'm going back and forth with it. I think I'm gonna go with this. But, girl. Okay, we said it and went back to normal. That is okay. That is totally okay. Arms, handbags, and all that stuff. I'm gonna put on long, elegant gloves because this is like the formal nerd outfit. I don't know. Back, capes, no. Legs and feet. No, I wish I could wear the bunny. Anyways, let's see which skirt should I use. Should I use the Dawn Valentina skirt? Let's see that or the real life mermaid. Yeah, totally this skirt. And after that, I'm either gonna use high school lacy boots or at this point, I don't know. High school lacy boots, or Darn Valentina lollipop heels. Wait, I'm just gonna check out all of the heels that I have with it. That's cool. What about glittering jelly platforms? So funky. Ooh. Okay, those legs are long. Um, wow, that is pretty with the Dear Dolly heels. I might keep it like this. Okay, there's just a big. Oh my God, why does somebody have the need to honk their horn thing in their car? I know, I'm dumb. I probably do not know what it's called. Okay. Anyways. This is the outfit that I have that I'm going to be wearing first. It's like, oh, no. Wait, I'm gonna go in crystal ball mode, which is Shift P. That face is beautiful. I like that, those faces. Okay, as you can see, we have the Day of the Dead, yeah, aromatic, headphones, and prescription glasses, long elegant gloves, and Dear Dolly, not Dear Dolly heels, I mean Dear Dolly heels, and Darn Valentina corset, flex, Darn Valentina skirt. The Darn Valentina set has a lot of ruffles. Yeah, I really like this outfit, but too bad. I'm probably gonna make it off camera. Oh my God, that's so glitchy. Okay, time to reset. Oh my God. Okay. Anyways, let's make another outfit. Really. Okay, I have to take off this mask. Okay, and let's check out the hairstyles. Okay. Well, not this one. Not this one either. What about easy and nothing? Honestly, I think I want to use the Monster Ball ponytail. I wonder how it looks like with hair bands. Don't worry, I sneezed into my germ pocket. Yeah, to wash my hands later for this. Okay. Okay, that's ugly. Sorry. Sorry if anybody has offended. Oh my God, I thought I just saw a shadow creeping. I'm scared. Okay. Oh my God, I'm scared. I'm home alone. Okay, whatever. Becky Bang. I need to. I want to do like brown and yellow theme or whatever. I'm probably gonna wear brown hair. And yes, I am going to wear brown hair. Yeah, I knew it. I'm going to wear brown hair. Okay. Anyways, let's just put on a bathing suit like always. Oh my God, I'm scared. I'm very scared of dying. I'm gonna use my favorite face, Petunia by Alvin underscore RBLX, short for Roblox. Taking the out. Okay. Anyways, my dad is here because he went to take out the trash. Okay, let's see. Do I want any? No. Do I want any of these? No. Okay. Let's talk about what skirt I want. Okay, which skirt should I wear? I'm gonna make like a really roughy outfit. So I'm gonna wear Sparkly Party Tutu. It's going to be like a pastel yellow and white. That's not really pastel. Okay. That. Now the heels are going to be high school lacy boots and socks because why not? And I already used. Oh wait, I didn't use the Donna Valentina heels last round, so I used the Donna Valentina heels because. Okay, time to change the skirt because Yeah. Okay, my dad's back. Okay, I'm just gonna wear this because why not? And I don't know. So, yeah. And that's good. I do not have any mermaid tails. Okay, so I'm just gonna check out the torso things that I can use. Ooh. The Don Valentina lace bodice is very lacy and ruffly. But, this is very ruffly. Well, it has a bit of ruffles. I'm gonna think about it, and I want to use it. Wait, what about this combined? That is not a good combination. What about this combined? Doesn't look any different. What about this combined? Okay. Anyways, let's see. Should I put these sleeves? I'm gonna put these sleeves. Actually, I'm gonna take these sleeves off. Okay, neck and shoulders. I already have a choker here. Wait, maybe that may be an alpha hack, so it's like a better choker. A choker that's better. Okay, that's ugly. Sorry. Okay, anyways, let's see what else do I have. Arms, hands, handbags. I already use these. That's why I'm going to use the Dear Dolly gloves. Okay. Okay. I need to switch the colors. Oh my god. Okay. Oh wait. I just realized an outfit hack that I could use. Let me see something. Oh my god. Okay. That's weird. Wait, I'm gonna try to go into a pose that definitely shows the hand. God. Okay, flavor. Okay, let's see with this one. Okay. Okay. Maybe this will work? No, that's too late. Maybe this will work. Maybe this will work. Maybe this will work. That works. Okay, and then this is going to be yellow. And time to put on the Dark Valentina lace cuffs because, yeah. Okay, that's better. That's not bad. Oh wow, that is a very pretty outfit indeed. Okay, I just realized, should I do shorts or no socks? And no socks? But I really like the socks. Let me see. And like the bloomers kind of bother me, but I mean like they're bloomers. Bloomers are more puffy. They look like very extra side puffy diapers. And then, oh by the way, YouTube, please don't demonetize me for this. I'm pretty sure it's demonetized. Please don't take this down for this because those are shorts. They're shorts. They're shorts. They're not underwear. Okay, never mind. That's underwear. No, not underwear. Why do I keep on saying underwear? Oh my god, I sound like an avocado. Ooh, what happens if I put this? Ew. What if I put my bunny slippers? Okay, no. Anyways, let's see. What do I have to put in my hair? What about this? Ooh. Okay, no thank you. Okay. Okay, I use this one. Okay, hopefully this saves because yeah. Anyways, what happens if I put it? Oh wait, oh my god, that was so glitchy. In blonde, no, it only looks good with brown. Okay, anyways, this is my outfit. It is very pretty. Okay, next outfit, I'm thinking of making like a swimming outfit because I recently just got the surfboard. I got it like last night because I was going on a spending spree. Sorry I didn't get that on camera, but because I did not know how to screen record. I'm not sure if this is even going to say. Okay, time to reset and do the next outfit. Oh wait, I didn't even talk about this. We have this thing from the wheel, enchanting your own corset, dear dolly gloves, dear darling Valentina lace cuffs, secret fairy on earth skirt, and darling Valentina heels. With the, yeah. Oh my god, I sunk into the ground. Ooh, this is cool. It makes your whole screen black. But anyways, well, in my when it looks for me, it looks like, okay, never mind. I'm just gonna stop talking. Okay, okay. Oh my god, my nose. Okay, never mind. Okay, yes, reset me. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, time to make cool swimming outfit. Okay. I'm gonna put it in a bun because the character I'm going to be making does not like to get her hair wet. And ooh, I'm gonna put on a mad face because okay, the backstory on this one is that she was forced to come into the pool and she did not want to come, but she had to. I might even check the boys' faces because, yeah. Until, oh god, my lips hurt. Oh my god, I've been ripping off the skin. Okay, this is good enough. Ooh, what about this? No. Okay. Ooh, new canvas. Okay, no thank you. I'm just gonna, I like the new color. Okay, never mind. I don't know how to pronounce that, so sorry. Whoever made it. Anyways, which color should I make this one? Purple. I forgot my favorite color. Purple. Purple. How could I forget? Purple. Purple, purple, purple. Okay, I'm gonna use the. Okay, I thought I lost the Miss Lady Rose bodice for a second, but I didn't. Okay, anyways, that. And now we're going to. I'm just gonna search up surfboard. Surfboza? Wait, what is surfboza? Oh. Oh, okay. Well, looks good. I may. Wait. I'm not gonna change the heels because these heels are beautiful. I really like these heels. Okay, anyways, here's a cool hack with the surfboard. When you fly, it gives you water trail. And yeah, you get to stand on the surfboard. So it's worth the 28,000 diamonds I spent it. Yeah, anyways, this is like a cool outfit, so yeah. That's so weird. Okay, anyways, I really hope you liked this video because it's going to end here. Anyways, I hope you liked the video, and yeah, because I worked hard on it, because I had this whole thing in mind of I'm gonna do a trip. What I'm going to do, an outfit thing with the Darling Valentina set, and I finally accomplished getting the Darling Valentina set. So yeah, I can finally make this video. Okay. Anyways, yeah, I hope you like it, and yeah, goodbye.